My name is Julie, and in this presentation I will explain the Dublin Core element title. The definition of the Dublin Core element title is the name given to a resource. The importance of the title element is that it records the term or phrase by which an item is known. The data contained in the title element helps users find, identify, and evaluate the usefulness of an item according to their needs. Now, officially, the title is not a required element. However, title is nearly mandatory across all other metadata schema. Therefore, its use is strongly encouraged. Title is a repeatable element, which means that more than one title may be added for a resource or item. The title element does not have a controlled vocabulary or syntax encoding schemes. An encoding scheme helps in the interpretation of an element's value and may include specific ways of formatting the content. The title content is a free, unconstrained text entry field. Initial articles in a title, such as the, an, etc., can cause problems for searching, indexing, and sorting. Therefore, the options are to omit the article or insert the article at the end of the title. Capitalization of titles are a local institution decision. Some people choose to capitalize only the first letter of the first word of the title and any proper names included within the title. So let's talk about how Dublin Core titles are created. A title can either be transcribed from the resource or supplied by the metadata creator. A transcribed title is a title copied or recorded from the resource or item. Some resources, such as unpublished photographs of people, places, and things, do not have a formally assigned title. Therefore, for a supplied title, the title is supplied by the metadata creator or cataloger. If a title is supplied or assigned by the metadata creator, some organizations use the convention to put brackets around the title to indicate it was not taken from the resource itself. However, many best practice guidelines recommend not using brackets because brackets can interfere with retrieval and indexing of titles. Therefore, when creating supplied titles for digital collections, you should consider how titles sort and display in your local system. The title element has one standard qualifier called alternative, which is defined as an alternative name for the resource or item, a name other than the main title. A qualifier allows for refinement and clarification of an element's content without changing the meaning of the base element that they qualify. It makes the meaning of an element narrower or more specific. The qualified element shares the meaning of the unqualified element, but with a more restricted scope. Use of a non-standard qualifier is a local organization decision. For example, an institution may have a Dublin Core main title, a Dublin Core alternative title, which is the qualifier, and then a non-standard added title supplement. Use of any qualifier is not required. This is an example of an item, 1944 Valentine's Day card, where the title is transcribed from the resource. The transcribed title is "I've Found My Treasure in You, Valentine." This is an example Dublin Core record for the Valentine's Day card displayed on the previous slide. Notice this is the title field. The following references were used to prepare this presentation.